Watch your profanity.
Right, I'm sorry.
Enemy AC on 30 above!
Holy fucking shit!
That was legitness. That was legitness. That was legitness.
So in tasting, what we do is take a small amount right off the top. It doesn't take much. That's the warmest part right here. I'm going to invert the spoon. Cover all 9,000 taste bud. Aerate it. Warm it up. Driving up that top note, that cream, pure vanilla, sweeteners. That's a 10.
Boneless pizza.
I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this.
What are you doing on computer? Go outside, so beautiful! I
love cheesecake. I love cheesecake at nighttime, real late at night. Cheesecake.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I have crippling depression.
Hey, boss.
Oh shit! What up?
I like turtles. I like turtles.
Wrong.
The pizza is aggressive.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.